In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row into a table in draw.io. Let's get started by opening draw.io in your web browser. Once the editor loads, open the diagram that contains the table you want to update. If you're starting from a blank canvas, make sure you've already added a table to the page so you have something to work with. The key here is simply being inside the draw.io editor with your table visible. Next, click the table you want to edit to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the familiar selection outline around the table and the handles at the edges. It also helps to click directly inside a cell in the row you want to use as your reference. This tells draw.io exactly where you'd like the new row to appear relative to the current one. With the table selected, look toward the upper middle of the interface for the table icon in the toolbar. Give that icon a click and you'll see options to insert a row. Choose Insert Row above if you want the new row to appear above the row you've currently selected. Choose Insert Row after if you want the new row to appear below it. Think of above as adding a line right before the current row and after as adding one immediately after it. As soon as you choose your option, draw.io will create the new row in place, matching the formatting of your existing table. You can click into any cell of the new row and start typing right away. If the result isn't what you intended, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to undo, then reselect the correct row and try again. A couple of quick tips if you don't see the table options. First, make sure the table itself is selected, not just a shape nearby. Clicking inside a cell usually brings up the correct context. If your canvas is zoomed out, zoom in a bit so the toolbar and icons are easier to spot. Also, if your table has custom styling, the new row will inherit that style, which helps keep your layout consistent without extra work. And that's it. Once the row appears where you want it, you're done. Continue editing your content, and when you're finished, confirm your changes are saved. Draw.io typically saves automatically if you're connected to a storage location, but it's always a good habit to double-check before closing the tab. You've successfully added a row to your table in draw.io quickly and cleanly.